Sky Prophet, baby. Back with another video for you. I already know going good. You're appreciative, huh? Blessings, blessings, blessings to you. Guidance and protection, integrity, strength, focus, and understanding. Each individual out there, no exceptions. Never no exceptions. When we want to talk about nature, people say nature, people be out in nature. Some people like care for it, some people don't, but that's a system that has DNA all throughout it. It's just like it coincides with itself. Planet is designed feed, clothe everybody, nurtures. Any kind of cures gonna be found on the planet. Everything you look at, people driving vehicles, look, everything that you see comes from the planet, comes from Gaia. It's important that you start giving thanks to Gaia, being appreciative for this planet, having that love in your heart for this planet. It's gonna strengthen your bond. Individuals, take advantage of the resources on this planet. Greedy, being greedy. People want it all. But this planet has been sustaining every individual that has ever stepped foot on it. Remember, after the planet was created, and it was you. The planet holds every energy you ever gonna need. Every energy you ever gonna need within any lifetime. All these energies. You have your pineal gland, got your higher self, your consciousness. Excuse me. Excuse me. You got innate. This is all quantum attributes that you have to you. And the grid, Gaia, this planet, has all the energies for you to do so, for you to use it. You get information from the planet too. Like, don't be thinking that you getting downloads from all kind of places. You get downloads from this planet. You sure do. When you putting your feet on the planet, how you think a download come? It say download, but it's coming through your feet. Up. It's coming through your feet, up through your crown. You could say it like that. Up to your crown. But it truly is the reason for every individual being able to sustain themselves. Gaia holds all of those energies for you. Not only that, when you come back, Gaia got your neck set in, you know, like that kind of appreciation individuals should have. See these trees, they rooted in this ground. They rooted in this land. That's where the real one of the real prints is in the middle of this earth, under this earth. And by these trees being rooted like that, don't get it twisted. That's straight information. You have no idea how smart a tree is, man. You have no idea the energy within a tree. A lot of information. You got them individuals, they call them the ones that be hugging trees and shit. That's a real thing. If you never tried it, that's a real thing, man. You can hug a tree, you can go stand barefooted on the, thank you, so stand on the roots of a tree for a couple minutes. Have your intention set to receive information. Be willing. You have no idea. See, it's a mutual bond between you and that tree. You don't acknowledge it like that. The tree does all the time. But that's a mutual connection, man. Without these trees, you'll die. Without these trees, you'll die. Without that moss, you'll die. You'll expire. That's a real bond. That bond is truly one of the bonds to let you know for certain that this planet was created for you. But individuals just wake up and go by their way. Walk on the ground all day. Ride on the land all day. Eat off the land all day. You know, like, and don't even acknowledge, like, wow. And this planet give everybody everything. Provides that. DNA is everywhere. Similar to the structure of yours. I say similar, but there's a certain pattern within DNA. I'm going to say it like that. And you got to know it like that because God is in everything. That's why I'm saying it's a certain pattern within DNA. DEA, however you want to phrase it for yourself. But that's a bond that shouldn't be neglected. When you walk outside, it should be respect for the land. It should be appreciation for it. I just wanted to bring this message because it's time individuals start realizing that